Welcome back. Suzuki Motors organized a 3-day camp in Goa. Their motive was to interact with customers directly and understand the need of Goan customers. Popular pop singer Anu Malik recited Goan culture in his own way.
I love the people here. I love the food here. I love the beaches here. And how much you can say about Goa. You know, the fact that you feel like settling down here. Many of my industry people want to come and buy places here and settle down here. It's something that takes your breath away. It's one of the most beautiful places on Mother Earth. Keeping Goa, Feni, beach, Masti. Buy Suzuki. It's very sasti.
This has been on from 13th onwards. Today is the last day of the camp and it is culminating into a concert, a musical concert where we are trying to get where we've got Mr. Anu Malik to come and perform and entertain our customers and those who have joined the Suzuki family.
In terms of our future strategy, we intend to take our turnover from 1200 crores to 1500 crores in the coming year. I think that is going to be our focus, that in Goa at least we are able to come to a very high market share in the coming months.
It's a holy jolly Christmas and preparations for the seasons of love, joy and merry is in full swing. The Christmas cake, favourite of all, was mixed and blended at Siddharth de Goa. A whooping 500 kilos of rich cake will be baked for the season. Have a look at the movements and gestures at Siddharth de Goa cake mixing ceremony. Excerpts by Tulsidas Chari.
The fruits need to take about 30 days, 60 days or 100 days even to soak, mature and become ripe in flavor with all the spices and all the alcohol that gets added to it. That's the reason we've done it so much in advance, so much more before the Christmas season, before we actually bake the cake. Approximately 500 kilos of cake will be baked during the festive season to celebrate Christmas and then of course New Year at Siddharth de Goa.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.